Hello all. Welcome back. Today we will discuss about judges' removal process or judicial impeachment, which is in main headlines. We shall start with the context, background, judges' removal process and past such incidences. Context. Recently, judges' removal case came into limelight when the removal process was initiated against Justice Yashwant Verma, following the discovery of half-burnt currency at his official residence. Case background. In March 2025, sacks of half-burnt currency were found at Justice Verma's Delhi residence. An in-house committee led by the Chief Justice of India, CJI, reportedly found that Justice Verma had tacit control over the area where the cash was found. Removal motion. In July 2025, over 140 Lok Sabha MPs signed a motion for his removal. On 12 August 2025, Speaker Om Birla admitted the motion and constituted a three-member inquiry committee. The Supreme Court on 7 January 2026 heard a challenge by Justice Verma against the Lok Sabha Speaker's unilateral decision to form an inquiry committee. The Supreme Court stated it disagrees with the judge's claim, indicating the removal process initiated by the Speaker may proceed despite a separate rejection of the motion in the Rajya Sabha. Coming to the removal process, the procedure for removing a Supreme Court or High Court judge in India is governed by Article 124 Clause 4 and Article 218 of the Constitution, along with the Judges' Inquiry Act, 1968. The judges are removed only on proved misbehavior or incapacity. The process is to be initiated with a motion which must be signed by at least 100 members of the Lok Sabha or 50 members of the Rajya Sabha. Next, the Speaker or Chairman decides whether to admit or reject the motion. Further, if admitted, a three-member committee is formed consisting of a Supreme Court judge, a High Court Chief Justice, and a distinguished jurist to investigate the charges. Next, if the committee finds the judge guilty of proven misbehavior or incapacity, the motion is put to a vote in both houses. A special majority is needed to pass the motion, which means a majority of the total membership of the House and a majority of at least two-thirds of the members present and voting. Finally, if both houses pass the motion in the same session, the President issues a final removal order. If we look into such past incidences, no judge of a High Court or the Supreme Court has ever been successfully removed through this process. However, Justice V. Ramaswamy in 1993 was the first to face a complete trial. The motion failed in the Lok Sabha due to abstentions. Similarly, Justice Soumitra Sen in 2011 resigned after the Rajya Sabha passed the motion but before the Lok Sabha could vote. Thank you. We meet again with a new topic soon. I request you to like, share and subscribe to my channel.